Hi guys, in this video I will show you the new feature of the update Theme app on Xiaomi phone, Redmi and Poco MIUI. The theme app has been updated to version 2.1.1.7 global version. To update, go to Settings, System App Updater and check for update to the Themes stock app. If there is not update, you can install it from the APK file. You can download it in my Telegram channel Techno. The link will be in the info box. Launch after update, the interface of the application has changed completely. Now you can change the phone interface font. Switch between phones. Added and updated many categories of music. You can check the new feature of the MIUI theme. If you don't like the update, you need to delete it. Press and hold on the application, open form, install update OK and return the old version. If you liked the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel Techno. See you in new videos.